5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. The present case solely rests on circumstantial evidence. Stop. As per the prosecution, PW1 Ganga Charan Yadav lodged a written report exhibit P1 at Police Station Virat Nagar, Jaipur on 25/7/1997 at 11:30 am with regard to an accident alleged to have taken place in the night intervening 23/24/7/1997. Stop. As per the written report, the complainant informed the police that on 23/7/1997 he had gone to village Kumar, leaving behind his children. Stop. On 24/7/1997 when he returned to his farm along with TC of his child, he found that his son Gajendra, who had slept the last night at the farm, was missing in the morning. On search, he found the dead body of his son floating on the water in the well. Stop. We noticed that the hands of his son were tied with some cloth. Stop. He suspected the murder of his son by somebody. Stop. Stanza. The criminal appeal by accused Chotu Ram arises out of the judgment and order dated 3/2/2000 passed by the learned additional sessions judge Sahapura (Jaipur), by which the learned additional sessions judge, having found the prosecution story as alleged true and charges having proved beyond doubt, convicted and sentenced the appellant in the manner stated below. Stop. Under section 302 IPC, life imprisonment with a fine of ₹500 in default thereof to further undergo 15 days rigorous imprisonment. Stop. Under section 201 IPC, 7 years rigorous imprisonment with fine of ₹100 in default thereof to further undergo 5 days simple imprisonment. Stop. Under section 377 IPC, life imprisonment with a fine of ₹500 in default thereof to further undergo 15 days simple imprisonment. Stop. Stanza. In the course of the investigation, the accused Chotu Ram was arrested and was subjected to medical examination by the board. Stop. As per the report exhibit P9, it was found that the peripheral border of the proximal part of the glans of the penis was confused with reddish blue discoloration, and erosions were also present over this part. Stop. On retraction of the prepuce, smegma was not found present. Stop. As per the report exhibit P13 of the FSL, human semen was detected on the banyan and pant of the appellant. Marked exhibits 5, 6 and 8 contained in packet marked C. Stop. The nails of the appellant were also examined for the presence of blood. Stop. On chemical examination, nails showed presence of traces of blood and its report is Exhibit P14 stop stanza. During the trial, the prosecution examined as many as 11 witnesses and got exhibited some documents. Stop. Therefore, the accused was examined under Section 313 CRPC. Stop. After conclusion of trial, the learned trial court found the charges established against the appellant and accordingly convicted and sentenced him the manner stated herein above. Stop. Hence, this appeal against conviction and sentence. Stop. Over.